The string of lights will fail if at least one bulb fails, that all the lights go out. The problem tells us that the probability that the bulb will fail is 0.06. So the probability a bulb will not fail is 1 minus 0.06, which is 0.94. So we're trying to find the probability at least one bulb fails. This is an at least problem. And the way you solve this, if at least one fails, that means one fails or two or three or four, is the same thing as 1 minus none of them fail. Well, what's the probability that none of them fail? Bring down your 1 minus. What's the probability the first one doesn't fail? Well, it's 0.94. What's the probability the next one doesn't fail? And, keywords and, what's the probability the next one doesn't fail? 0.94. What about the next one? 0.94. All the way out to where you have 10 of them. So it's 1 minus 0.94 raised to the 10th. It's the probability at least one of them fails. And that is one of our answers, I believe. Yeah, E.